if you still have your parents,
Yeah.
this is the time to
Yeah.
do something for them. So I'm 20 years old.
I'm 26 old. Yeah, we buy a house, me and him.
Very good, very good. I'm excited for you. Yes, yes.
We bought a house, but they never knew it.
Yeah.
They were surprised to see it's their new home.
Oh my God! God bless you.
Making me cry.
So we're originally Congolese, but we was born in Rwanda, refugees camp. Then we moved to Kenya, so then we fly to Australia. Because there was no opportunities to study,
Everything.
so you can dream about something. It was just like, you just go through hard life.
Hard life, yeah.
It's really hard to think what you're gonna become in future.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
now we have opportunities to think what we can do in the future.
So that one was was our dream. Say
Yeah.
like when we get in Australia, we need to having our own house, like family.
Congratulations and the keys.
Like we do night shift, me and my brother. Whenever we are on the break, I always go on the internet and check it up the new homes on sale.
yeah.
I was like, hey, 1 hour ago, there is one published. Then I contact Julie.
1 hour after the home went online, they actually reached out. They were super keen to hear about the home. They came along to the open home on the Saturday and I met them with their biggest smiles and lovely, lovely boys.
There was a lot of people coming to see the house.
We'd be scared.
Like we wasn't even sure if we're gonna get the home.
Yeah.
I had a full house here for the open home, but they stayed from start to finish and made it very clear that this was the perfect home for their family. I asked them which brother was going to get the master bedroom and they both giggled and said no, it was going to be for their parents, and they were surprising their parents, gifting them the home. So I just couldn't believe it, and they're just such beautiful boys.
We're living normal life, but we also save up.
Save up, yeah. You can see we're still young, so we still have more future, we still have more things to do, we still have more careers. So that is amazing to see my parents. They are at the good place, quiet place, they are safe, everything is good.
Like if you still have your parents,
Yeah.
this is the time to
Yeah.
do something for them. It doesn't have to buy the house like the
Yeah.
same thing you did, but
Yeah.
at least do something to
Yeah.
show them you think about them.
Yeah.
And I've never come across such a beautiful story like this one. This one will be with me forever. It's a special story, yes.
It's amazing. Now together we can,